Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick one. I am cooking lunch for my family and this is coconut shrimp and chicken curry. It tastes so good and we eat it with white rice. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. So I had already started cooking right here. Now let me just say this out here. You do not have to cook the shrimps with the head on. I just wanted a lot of flavor, so I left it on. I didn't even peel it. I only deveined it and seasoned it lightly. And here I'm just going in with some bay leaf. My normal seasonings for this recipe is some paprika, some garlic powder, onion powder, some salt to taste, and some black pepper. And that's all I put in here, and then I'm just frying it. Now, once the shrimps are cooked, I take it out, and this is what it looks like. Y'all, it looks so good, but I know a lot of people get freaked out with the head of the shrimp, but let me tell you, that's where all the juices are. Even if you don't eat it, use it for your broth. It is so delicious. Here is my chicken breast that I already cut up and used the same seasonings in here, and I believe I also added a little bit of thyme and some curry powder as well. So I'm also going to put it in there and cook that down. Chicken breast takes a very short time to cook, and remember we're going to reintroduce this back into the curry stew. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here, cooking on medium heat. If you guys like these portrait videos, let me know. They're very easy for me to film. I can just film on the go, like when I'm making lunch or dinner for my family. That way you guys can be getting more content, like on a regular basis. So now I took out the chicken, and this is my blended ingredients. This is some red bell peppers, some onions, fresh garlic, fresh ginger, and habanero for that kick. You don't have to use that. I fried that down, as you can see, till the oil rendered, and I added about a cup of water because I'm going to be using coconut water to cook this for the most part. And this is coconut milk. This is the coconut milk that I use. I went in with 2 of those. I get it from Walmart, but you could buy your own fresh coconut and process it yourself. You will have to crack it and put it in the blender with some water and then strain it and get your own coconut water, coconut milk. Why I keep saying water, but yeah, this is what I use. It's quick and easy because this is like my go-to quick meal for the family. I cover that and let it simmer down. The more it simmers, the thicker it's gonna get. So here it has been simmering for about 20 minutes or so, and now I'll go in with my, this is my Saison Tropical. This is where I get all the yellow color from, and a little bit of that curry powder. If you go crazy on that curry powder, the taste tends to be too much for me. But that tropical seasoning from Badia, it gives you that beautiful rich yellow color without compromising on the taste, but it has a lot of salt, so be careful with that. So I usually have to put that in before I adjust and taste for salt. Now my coconut milk has cooked down. I am reintroducing my proteins back with the shrimp. Yeah, let me tell you, the flavor from this oil already, chef's kiss. But now it reintroducing these proteins back just adds a lot of flavor. This is flavor building at its best. Like I said, this meal takes like maybe 40 minutes, definitely under an hour to cook. Now I put everything back in there. I'm going to let it cook down before I taste for salt. And I also like to add last minute some chopped veggies. These are just some chopped peppers and onions, and that habanero is just for extra kick, and I don't want the curry itself to be too spicy, so I just leave it whole like that. That is the point of that. And yeah, this is what it looks like after it has simmered for quite a bit. You would see that it got thicker, and when it cools down, it's going to get even thicker. So this is the perfect consistency. You can see that some of the oil has rendered to the top. You can let it render even more and take it out if you think you use more oil. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.